Let's dive into customizing your notifications in Structured, ensuring you never miss a task again. This feature is available with Structured Pro, offering you enhanced control and personalization. To customize your default notification sound, open your Structured settings and tap on Notifications and Alerts. In this menu, select Sounds to access a variety of notification sounds. Browse through the list and tap on any icon to hear a preview. Once you find the sound that suits you, just tap to set it as your default notification tone. Need a unique sound for a particular task? Tap on the respective task and select Edit Task to open its details. Scroll down to the Needs Alerts section and tap on the colored sound name in the top right corner. Explore the available notification sounds and choose the one that fits your task best. Tap Update Task to save your changes. Next, let's tailor when you receive notifications. Head to your task alert settings, where the defaults are already set. Adjust these by tapping the X to disable any default alerts. To create a new alert, tap Add Alert. You can select from preset times or customize the timing using the time wheels. The default alert settings can also be edited. Simply open the Structured settings and tap on Notifications and Alerts. Scroll down to Default Alerts and customize them to your needs. You can also set notifications for all-day tasks. Head to the task settings of the respective all-day task and choose when you'd like to get reminded. There is a set of default alerts. However, you can personalize this by adding another alert. If you've imported tasks from calendars or reminders, go to your Structured settings and tap Notifications and Alerts. Here, you can manage notifications for imported calendar events and tasks from reminders.